Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can migrate from Cartel to Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this guide on this site, which I need to do because I do not have the appropriate things that I need to actually export my site from Cartel to Shopify. However, this should suffice when it comes to the information that you need, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing that you need to back up your data, so what you can do is you can export your products from Cartel using the export tool, which will allow you to export your products as a CSV file or other orders, customers, etc. And you can export them to a CSV file, which you can then later import into Shopify. After that, you should create a Shopify account if you don't have one. Also get the subscription for Shopify if you want to actually run the store, since they do have a free plan. However, these stores last very, very little. Then you need to add the migration details. You'll tell Shopify that you're already selling online, and Shopify will ask to identify your platform. Then click Other and select Big Cartel, or enter Big Cartel since it's not listed there. And you need to enter your annual revenue if you're already selling on Big Cartel. And then after that, you just need to set up your store on Shopify, and then you can actually export it. Now you just need to go to your Big Cartel admin panel, which I'm pretty sure is located here, and then you need to go to your orders. However, I can't find the orders tab anywhere here, and if I go here, I don't have any orders and I can't export any since I of course don't have them. If I go here to products, if I go here to more options, as you'll see, I don't have any options to export. I have only the option to import. Might be because I'm on the free plan, however, I'm not sure. But yeah, you just need to go into orders, go into shipped, and then export all your shipped orders, and then just import your products into Shopify. You can go into apps and then go into the store importer over here, or you can actually do it through Shopify, not through Big Cartel. However, you might be able to find something for exporting here. I wasn't able to, so it is what it is. But yeah, you just need to activate the store importer in the Shopify segment, then upload all your CSV files and start the import. However, you might be able to do it manually in several different options. I do know you can import your customers, you can import your products, you can import your orders, etc., etc. However, this app might help you to do it quicker and more efficiently. But yeah, once that's done, you just need to review and update your imported data, and that should be pretty much it. Again, sorry I couldn't show you guys how to do it myself, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.